So now we're going to install a square vent. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Just to show you how it's done. Basically measure it. Then you cut a total of 2 shingles. Make sure it's tight. Basically what we're cutting out, if you see here on the square vent, you want to cut out this square part because these flaps go over the shingle. That way you got a nice seal. So basically what he's doing is exactly that to where the hole is. You want to expose the hole as best as you can. And when he slides it in, you can see it slides in nice and tight. And then you got the corners right around there. See? Gotta make sure you fasten it at the top. You got a minimum 3 nails.